If you are a real estate agent walking into 2025 without using AI, you are seriously limiting the growth and future potential of how much money you make in your business. It is no longer a question on whether you should adopt AI in your business, but more so on when. And trust me, the sooner the better. Hey guys, I'm Lak. I sold my first property as a realtor at the age of 18, and after spending my early 20s working in the real estate and construction industry, I decided to shift my focus to technology. I've since then worked at global companies such as Deloitte and Amazon, where I've learned firsthand on how to integrate cutting-edge technologies like AI into your small business. Hence why in this video, I will be walking you through 5 actionable ways through which you can start using AI to supercharge your real estate business. The AI tools which I will be sharing with you guys in this video will help you in getting more done in less time and growing your client base. Enough of chit chat, let's get straight into it. I'm assuming, like most real estate agents, you're spending heaps of time doing repetitive tasks that bring in no actual value to your business and your long-term growth. Mundane tasks such as writing property descriptions, following up with the same clients again and again, and creating multiple market reports or appraisals. These tasks are super essential, don't get me wrong. However, they eat into your time for more high value activities like client meetings and negotiations. If you're not leveraging AI to take care of these repetitive tasks, you're really falling behind to your competitor in this day and age. Now let's talk about how AI can step into not only saving you time, but actually enhancing the quality of your work. So one of the most tedious tasks a realtor has to do on a day-to-day basis is writing property descriptions for every single listing. But with AI, tools such as ChatGPT or Jasper.ai can automate this entire process for you guys. So for example, let's just say you're listing a modern 3-bedroom house. Instead of sitting down to write unique descriptions every single time, you enter key details into ChatGPT, which includes key features such as square footage, amenities, location, and within seconds you will get a polished description like, this beautifully modern 3-bedroom home offers open plan living, a spacious backyard, and a close proximity to schools, perfect for families. And let's just say if you're not happy with this description, you can then write a command or a prompt to ChatGPT to update the tone or the actual context based on your liking. And if you think about it, just by using these simple AI tools, 80% of the work has already been done for you. All you have to do now is tweaking to your business's tone and liking. Jasper AI even optimizes this text for SEO, helping your listings get higher visibility online. So now that we have covered how AI can help you automate one of the most common things you do as a realtor on a day-to-day basis, now let's focus on to a different use case around marketing and daily or weekly newsletters which you send out to your entire database or clientele. Another area where AI can make a big difference for your business is around market analysis. So instead of manually pulling together data for newsletters or client reports, AI tools such as House Canary or Zillow's Zestimate do it all for you. So for example, let's take House Canary in this instance. You can use it to pull a real-time data about property prices and neighborhood analytics. And if you're like one of those top agents who prepare a monthly update for your database, you no longer need to spend hours doing all of the grunt work yourself. So let's just say you want to send out a newsletter. You can pull in all the market data from House Canary, feed all of this data into ChatGPT, and within minutes you'll have a custom fully written newsletter based on your liking. What this may look like is something around, in the past 30 days, property values in your neighborhood have increased by 4%, largely driven by the opening of new retail spaces. Here's what this means for buyers and sellers. Just by leveraging AI in this particular use case, what you have done is basically saved multiple hours of countless research online, and your clients in the front end have able to receive valuable and up-to-date information. So now let's just say you're in good books with all of your clients and all the people in your database. Our next focus will be on how we can automate our client interactions and all the follow-ups which you have to do basically on a daily basis if you're a leading agent in your suburb. So we all know how important it is to do constant follow-ups with your clients in the real estate industry, but it's really easy to let things slip in through the cracks when you're juggling multiple clients in multiple suburbs. And that's where AI comes into the picture to save your life. So for example, AI-powered CRMs such as Salesforce Einstein can automate all of your follow-up communication. So let's just say a client of yours visited an open house but hasn't followed up yet. Einstein AI can automatically send a personalized email to your client, and this email can something be like, hey client, I noticed you visited property blah 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 last week. Do you have any questions or would you like to schedule a viewing? And as you can see, this particular email, obviously custom to your liking, will automatically be sent to the client at a fixed time in the day. These AI systems even prioritize leads based on their likelihood to close, helping you in focusing your time on the most promising clients. And since everything is automated, you can then maintain that constant communication without having to lift a single finger. And just by leveraging this one last use case of constant follow-ups, one of my realtor clients was able to close 30% more deals month on month. So now that we know how to automate all of our customer communications, let's keep the video moving by focusing on predictive property valuations and market insights. I don't know how often this has happened to you, but when I was a realtor, people would literally come up to me thinking of me as a guru and asking me all these questions around, hey, like, what do you think is going to happen to this particular suburb in the next 3 months or in the next 6 months? Should we put our money into this real estate market right now with the interest rate so high? To be honest, half of the time, even though these questions were being asked and I was well versed, I faced this pain point where I wasn't able to keep track the entire time of how the market was performing and what the future looked like in that particular suburb. But now in this day and age, in this exact use case, real estate agents can now access AI to take advantage of the fact AI can help you in providing accurate property valuation and market prediction. So again, tools like Zillow's Zestimate and House Canary use machine learning to analyze millions of data points, comparable sales, neighborhood growth, and even local amenities to give you a precise valuation within a few seconds. So for example, let's just say you're sitting in a meeting with a client who wants to price their home at $1.2 million. You can pull up House Canary and see that the data suggests a valuation close to 1.1 mil. This not only gives you a credibility, but also helps the seller to set a more competitive price backed by hard data, which then means you'll be given a less headache during your campaign by the exact same seller. So let's just say if a new shopping center or a new airport is coming to that particular city, the AI can project a potential increase in that particular neighborhood, which is valuable information for both buyers and sellers. So now that we know how to provide accurate data and market valuations to all of our clients, let's move our focus on solving one of the biggest pain points that happens in the real estate industry, which is on how do you improve your customer service rate at your particular agency. In this day and age, all of our clients expect really fast responses, but let's be honest guys, you can't be available 24/7 and on Sundays. That's where the ability of AI chatbots come into the picture. So tools such as Draft and Chime can literally handle client inquiries, schedule showings, and provide property details even when you're offline. So for example, let's just say one of your clients visits your website through a Facebook ad or a Google search campaign, and they automatically have a question about the listing, but unfortunately, because it's middle of the night, they won't be reaching out to you and asking you to respond back to them if they're a crazy buyer. But let's just say if you had an AI chatbot on the website available all the time in the day, customer or your client would then be able to ask the exact same question to that AI chatbot, and within a few seconds, they would have the answer to their question with detailed information, which you would have already provided to this chatbot in the first place. So ta-da! And this way you'll be able to free up so much time of yours answering those same mundane questions to multiple groups of people through different channels. With the help of these mini AI chatbots, your customers will be in loop all throughout the day without you needing to get involved. So let's just say a sample question a realtor might have: would you like to schedule an appointment or a guided tour for this particular week? And then the client can then decide to book in a time based on your diary and calendar. So this way you're never missing out on potential leads and your clients get the instant response which they expect. So now that we have brought up the topic of lead generation, let's be honest. In the game of real estate, getting qualified and warm leads is one of the hardest tasks you have to do on a daily business to keep your business afloat and to meet your quarterly or yearly targets. With the help of AI, you can automate all of your lead generation. AI tools such as Real Scout and Boomtown analyze user behavior, such as what listings are your customers viewing and how often they're visiting your website, to identify high quality leads. So for instance, Boomtown can rank your leads based on their engagement. So let's just say if you get 100 leads within one campaign, and it automatically prioritizes the top 20 leads, which are the hottest leads as per this tool, and it will show you the top 20 of them that have consistently been engaging with your listing. So this way you can close your deal a lot faster and a lot more efficiently, and at the end of the day you're able to generate a desirable outcome for your buyer and your seller. So well, there we have it. AI isn't a cool tool to just play around with. It is transforming the way real estate is being done, whether it's automating your follow-ups, writing property descriptions, finding high quality leads faster, or generating marketing reports. AI will allow you to focus on what really moves the needle in your business and help you in closing more deals than you normally do. So if you're ready to start leveraging AI in your real estate business, let me know in the comment section which tool are you most excited about. And if you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions or any concerns, make sure you comment down below, as I will be responding to each and every single one of you. And if there's a complex task at hand which you're not able to solve, I will drop in my email in the description so that you can reach out to me personally and I can help you in solving your problem. Subscribe for more such content, personal development, AI, finance, technology, and make sure you check out this video on 5 AI tools for small businesses and this video on how you can get started into AI as a non-technical person. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Keep hustling.